That's mine.
Daddy. Okay. Finished. Daddy, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Whoa.
Wow! Where are my legs?
Your legs?
Adria, Ariana.
We want our treasure back.
No.
Come on, come on. I like it. Finish. Daddy.
Kids? Adria! Where are you? Ariana! Kids, where are you? Oh, girls. Let's find the treasure.
Wow. A dog. It's a dog. Let's open. Whoa. One, two, three. Ariana, look, I have slime. Yay! She goes to school. La 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 la. She's a Cosmo girl. Hello, everyone. Let's find the next treasure, Adria. Ariana, come on. Yay! Come on. Mermaid treasure chest. Whoa. My favorite color. A baby with my favorite colors and Avery's favorite colors. It smells so good.
Oh!
Yeah. Subscribe. We are Adria and Ariana.